In this lesson, we'll learn about chemical equations and specifically how to balance them. We're going to see how chromium-3 nitrate and iron-2 sulfate react to form iron-2 nitrate and chromium-3 sulfate. This reaction is an example of a double displacement reaction. Let's write out the unbalanced chemical equation for this reaction. We have chromium-3 nitrate Cr, NO3 3 plus iron 2 sulfate FeSO4 reacting to form iron 2 nitrate Fe NO3 2 and chromium 3 sulfate Cr2 SO4 3. In a double displacement reaction, parts of two ionic compounds are exchanged and form two new compounds. Let's balance the equation. In chemical equations, we need to balance the atoms of each element on both sides. We begin by looking at the amount of each element. First, for chromium. On the left, we have 1, while on the right, 2. So we put a 2 in front of chromium-3 nitrate to balance. Next, let's look at iron. On the left, we have 1, while on the right, we have 1. So iron is already balanced. Next, let's look at nitrate ions. NO3 on the left, we have 6 nitrate ions. And on the right, only 2. To balance, we'll put a 3 in front of the iron, 2 nitrate. Now, both sides have 6 nitrate ions. Finally, let's look at sulfate ions. On the left, we now have 3 due to balancing the irons. On the right, we also have 3 sulfate ions. Since sulfates are already balanced, we have completed the balancing of the chemical equation. Here, we see our final balanced chemical equation. In this reaction, ions are exchanged between the reactants to form new products, composing a double displacement reaction.